Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of swing trading, helping you decide if this approach aligns with your trading style. So, without further delay, let's start. Let's start with the positives, the pros of swing trading. Swing trading offers more flexibility compared to day trading. You don't need to monitor the markets all day long, making it suitable for those with busy schedules or other commitments. Swing traders aim to capture intermediate price movements, holding positions for a few days to several weeks. This approach can help you take advantage of trends that might be too short for long term investors but too long for day traders. With swing trading, you don't face the constant pressure of intraday price movements. This can reduce stress and emotional decision making. Now, let's look at the flip side, the cons of swing trading. Since swing traders hold positions overnight, they are exposed to overnight risk. News or events that occur after market hours can lead to significant price gaps the next day. Swing trading have less action compared to intraday. If you thrive on the excitement of intraday trading, swing trading might feel slower paced and less engaging or boring to you. While swing trading is less demanding than day trading, you still need to monitor your positions regularly, especially during times of market volatility. Now listen to this point very carefully. Swing traders might need to face short-term price dips before a trade goes in their favor. This is the part of trading and requires patience and confidence in your analysis. Emotional discipline is crucial in swing trading. Holding positions through price fluctuations can test your emotions and lead to impulsive decisions. Create a well defined trading strategy that includes entry and exit rules, risk management, and clear criteria for trade selection. So that's it for today's video, the pros and cons of swing trading. Remember, there is no one size fits all answer when it comes to trading strategies. What matters most is finding an approach that suits your personality and lifestyle. And remember the line, trend is your friend.